how often you do a condition-based maintenance task or a CBM task depends entirely on how quickly failure occurs once a potential failure condition is detectable. For example, let's take a filter. And if our failure mode is filter clogs due to normal use, we identify a potential failure condition as the differential pressure is, say, 3 psi. Now, how long do we have from the point we detect the differential pressure is 3 psi to the point the filter clogs? That's called the P2F interval, and that's how you properly identify CBM task intervals. You have to make sure you do the task at intervals less than the P2F interval to make sure you don't miss the failure.
CBM task intervals are not based on the criticality, the MTBF, or the useful life.